Wasabi Hot Cloud Storage works seamlessly with Salient's CompleteView VMS by operating in the background. It uses the Tiger Technology Surveillance Bridge, which is shown here on screen, to as a gateway to the S3 buckets in Wasabi. So first step would be to actually create the buckets in Wasabi, logging into your account. So I've got 3 different buckets listed here, and typically you would use a bucket per server if you've got multiple servers in your CompleteView system. You have multiple settings here within the surveillance bridge, so you can set it up to do disaster recovery, which by doing so it's going to replicate all your files up to the cloud. And if you have a catastrophic failure of the server, you can bring in a replacement server, reload the software, and it'll repopulate or rehydrate the files back down to the server, so you have everything available in just a matter of minutes. You can also use Surveillance Bridge to extend the amount of time that you retain video and limit the amount of hardware necessary on premise. So here I've got the settings to only to deprecate or remove the files from my local server after 2 hours. Okay? It can also be done by size, and this can be set up really for any time period you want to configure that for. But in the 2 hours, this is going to deprecate those files off to the cloud and just leave a pointer file so that the CompleteView VMS sees that the information is still there, okay, but is accessible. And that is the secret of Wasabi Hot Cloud, is that when you go to pull that video back down, it's instantaneous. There's no hesitation in terms of the video starting to play. It's going to do it automatically and very, very quickly. Other cloud providers will take some time depending on the tier that you have the storage in. But Wasabi is a hot cloud, so it's going to start playing immediately. So here I can select my buckets in this configuration menu here, and to show you what it looks like in the file system. Here we are. So this is my video data folder. Back up here to the top level. Now it's got a little icon on there showing me that there's been some file operations on there from the Tiger Surveillance Bridge. But if you go to Properties here, and there's another tab here for Bridge, but it's right at the start here. So it's showing that's 174 gigabytes is what Windows actually reads there. Size on disk is only 5.27 gigabytes. And that's because it's deprecated a lot of those files and moved them off to the cloud, but left that pointer file there so that Windows and CompleteView thinks that the entire information is there. And you'll see that here, some statistics on that. But if we go here and open this up and go to a particular date, we'll go to the 20th here. Okay, and so look at a clip. This is from 12:02 a.m. Now here I can just pop on that, open it up in VLC, and it'll start playing. Okay. Like I said in the other file here, we'll do that. Now on this file I've already started playing, so it's already starting to pull that down from the cloud. So it's going to show me that I've got it's already pulled down 1.87 megabytes out of that 15.5 that's already pulled down. But if I go to my CompleteView and at the same time and start playing here, you'll see that it does the same thing. So it starts playing immediately and with no hesitation on that. Of course, there's no action there, but you can see the time progressing here and moving forward. All right. So that is Wasabi Hot Cloud with CompleteView.